This is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Talks about making Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's sick dough and crypto.
Wall Street beats sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Hit that like, hit the subscribe. Good morning, everyone. Hope you had a wonderful New Year's. Hopefully you had wonderful holidays coming up. That was a good time. Let's go. It's the new year. It's time to get the grind going. It's time to get your hands dirty, right? It's the new year. What are you going to do? What's your New Year's resolution? All that hoo-ha bull crap, right? Everyone is going to work out. Everyone's going to be better. Well, how about we start trading better? How about we start making more money? How about we start making better financial decisions? That'd be a great start, right? I'd love to do that for 2024. All right, so let's get into it. Wall Street piece, sick dough and crypto. You come on over here, hit the bell, hit the all notification. Become a subscriber today. We're trying to get to 2K subscribers. It's pretty difficult to do. Cryptocurrency. Bitcoin update every day. We're going to go over 5 meme coins today. Become a subscriber. Meme coins. What could you do? Well, you could make some serious money. You can also get your ass kicked. Good morning, Mr. Sellner. I see you in there talking about bonkers with me, and you must follow me on Instagram. Good morning, Gary, to you. And this is a wonderful thing here, 275%. Now, you can also get your ass kicked, right? We don't also share all of the wonderful down ass kickings, but you should never. When trading on leverage, you should never let your account get to the negative or the red at this point in time. So you should only be able to show big gains of this in the green. If you allow an account to get this negative in the red, you should not be trading. You should never touch a leverage trade ever. So just a little tidbit there, just being very honest, and that would be a big issue if you did that. So we're going bonkers for bonkers. You can see we longed it, we shorted it. You can see how the prices reflect. And when we were doing the trade for the new year, we had a nice jump up. So we're going to talk about some things this morning. We're going to talk about my top 5 crypto meme coins. I'd like to go over that this morning. And then I'd like to go over, this is my Instagram account, then I would like to go over 5 top blue chip collars, ones that I really trust, ones that I believe in the most, that, you know, they're looking for some gains, maybe not have gotten already to their peak. Yes, Solana is not one of them, because Solana really is moving already, and it could go from 100 to 500, but I'm really not looking at them 5 times. I'm looking to do a little more than that. I'm in crypto space. I'm pretty excited. So without further ado, let's get right into it. My first meme coin would be Jasmine. So no surprise. And no surprise to see the up on the New Year's Day, right? Japanese Bitcoin. Let's see what happens here. We talked much about it. This is one of our favorites on the channel. A few people who are actually watching now, hit the like and subscribe if you've yet to do so, but there's some of their favorites as well. So coming on in this morning, talking about 5 meme coins. Be careful, please. Obviously, these meme coins do hold huge risks. Whether it's to the upside, whether it's to the downside, you must be very careful, because these assets could really hurt you. So just wanted to bring that out there. I'm not your financial advisor, just a gentleman to be the guy who wears the visor. So let's go into it, talking about, right now I'm in a little bottom buy here on the zone. You can see I like this asset. I like watching this on this is Coin Market Cap. What I do is I type it in. You can see how far below we are from here. We're getting some major downspout, but you can see we're getting a V-like shape recovery on here. I don't have it on TradingView this morning. I do apologize. We will get it eventually on there and show you some detailed information. But right now we're looking to get back up into the 0.0082 price. You can see we're way above that here from the 7 that we hit major resistance on, and then we have now fallen. But this is definitely one of my assets. I'm pretty excited. Good morning, Josh, to you. I'm talking about 5 meme coins and 5 blue chip collars. We're going to try and do this all in a 15-minute video. Wish me luck. So I'm already spending too much time on Jasmy. We're going to make it quick as possible, but this asset had much to talk about as we were 15 cents, we were 24 cents, we were trading, we were buying the bottom of these dips, and we were selling at the top. If you remember in October of 2021, go back to the videos. Yes, we were here 3 years ago doing videos for you talking about Jasmy. So check it out if you want to. You can do your own homework. If today is one of the people you don't want to follow, you haven't subscribed Wall Street Pete yet, and you're like, I don't know if this guy's real or not. Well, go back to October 21. You'll find out how real we actually were. We were killing it. So I expect, bull run to come back. We'd be excited. Now, one thing I wanted to bring to light and shed to light about all of this is if you pay close attention to what really is happening, guys, 1.7 trillion market cap is huge. This is a big deal now. We're getting into the total crypto market cap. We're going to talk about the other 4 meme coins, of course, or altcoins. It's not really a meme coin, Jasmy, but I put it in that kind of category. So 45,600, our target we talked to you about many times, 48,000 being one of them. We're going to get into it, though, and keep talking. So the second one here that I have is Dogecoin. So I hope you're excited. Dogecoin, we're talking about the top 5 that I would consider trading maybe in 2024. As you can see, we could be overbought here and looking for a little bit of a retracement coming in for Dogecoin. So you can see right here, oscillator getting high, could get another pump a little higher. But as I maintain and pay attention to this, there is a slope coming to the downside. Until we break above, right about here, I would say the 0.98, that is considered when the trend has flipped. You can see the trend here. Nice little bullish flag here. I do like this very much. We're talking about Dogecoin really quick. We're going to do this with each one if we can. It's very difficult to do. You can see the support is now flipping as we broke out of the symmetrical pattern. And what is going to happen next, it will find a confirmation for you. So get excited for that if you're following it. There will be life to this. We'll find out what Mr. Elon Musk has in store for it. We're really not sure, but there is something going on here. You can see Dogecoin as we get to the 4-hourly and you get to the daily. You can see what is actually happening here. So we're getting a little resistance. We'll be finished the daily. 10 hours and 6 minutes for Dogecoin being one of my top 5 meme coins. Do we get the upward W, top M, excuse me, bottom W, I can't speak this morning, would be the problem. But you can get something like that. That would definitely be showing you how we need to confirm that break to flip the trend. So that's what I'm looking for on Dogecoin as we can now speak. Right now, though, on the oscillator, if you do pay attention, I don't know why I just locked that. Please don't lock that again. Right there, it says here that we are in the oversold zone a little bit, and we could be getting a nice relief, a nice little rally. So this is actually kind of correlating, but we could see what will happen when we finish above the 9.8 price. Will that give us 98.5 to 10 cents there? Will we break above? If we do start finishing a daily one more time, we will find ourselves all the way up to at least 10 cents. And the rest could be history, because I'll tell you right now, this could be a huge upward W. What happens is Bitcoin rallies. I don't know if people know that. And the altcoins start going with it. But what happens is Bitcoin consolidates first, which we'll expect to do first. And you'll see something like that with Dogecoin, and it's off to the races. And that's where your upward W comes in. Just giving you an example. So there is Dogecoin. I don't know how I did this here. I wish I could. Yeah, we have no pictures. Imagine putting a picture there. Oh, boy. All right. So let's get back to, how do I get that off the screen? That's so annoying. How did I do that? I'm not going to be able to back off. All right, so here we keep going at Dogecoin. The next one was Flocka. We got Flocka Inu. Flocka Inu now doing something I said before. We talked about this before. Another oversold zone. So we'll see right now. This looks like a good buying opportunity. We'll see if it does come shed to light. It's a daily candle. Each candle represents a day. Kind of doing exactly what Dogecoin was doing. So I do like to watch what these coins do together. Sometimes they move together, and you can see exactly what I was just talking about. So will this confirm to the upside? We'll find out. Is the trend flipping? Well, do you want to know where the trend flips? Wall Street people can at least help you with that. The trend will be flipping when we are breaking above that price for Flocka Inu, if you were wondering. So we have 5 meme coins this morning. So far, Dogecoin, Flocka Inu. And I'll tell you right now, a lot of risk with these assets, so please be very careful. Be very careful trading these assets. So here we go. Talking about a falling wedge, perhaps a bullish candle coming in. You can see we did it on the last one, big cup and handle. And if nobody knows what a cup and handle is, this is probably a perfect, beautiful beautiful cup and handle right there. So what we're getting is a nice cup and handle. What will happen is another cup and handle inside a cup and handle. Stop right there, excuse me. Come down, support here, cup and handle instead of a cup and handle. There's your upward W. As long as this oversold zone comes in, lets you know we could be buying, good buying opportunity. Last time we had that buying opportunity was November 18th. We did the same thing. Cup and handle coming in and we rallied up. So pay attention to what is going on. Flocka in you. We got 5 minutes to bang through the rest of these altcoins. I don't know if that's going to be possible. In the top 5. So here we are, Shiba Inu, talking about the top 3 so far. Or no, we already did 5. We did Jasmine, including it. We included it as a meme coin. Imagine, it's really not, but we included it this morning, so please don't get offended if you find that to be offensive. We're looking for the point. How many zeros? 4, looks like. 1175 for Shiba Inu. We have the 1200 mark. We've broke above that, confirm, and once we get to the 1200 on Shiba Inu, we can talk about some price history, some action here, all the way to the 1800 here. That's something that would find major resistance, but look at this. We could find some serious exponential gains. We're talking about some shit coins here this morning, and maybe that's what we should have done. Maybe I should have just called it the shit coins instead of just a meme coin, because that's what these are, ladies and gentlemen. Let's be honest. If you could have gotten the bottom here, we're talking about an 1800 level, talking about 150% gain. So 150% on your money. Imagine leverage, what you could do. We're talking about a pop-up and then big resistance coming in there. You can see here, though, if you really pay attention to what we have for Shiba Inu, there were some days where we were just falling. We'd have to match up to there once we got back to that area, breaking above, and you can see what prices we could really find ourselves. So it's kind of exciting to see what the meme coins could bring you. And finally, last but not least, we don't have a lot of history on this, but this meme coin has been up and has been doing some things no other meme coin was doing at one point, causing havoc, and everyone was getting in, and all of a sudden it died. So this is why you gotta be careful. You have to be super careful trading these shit coins, because you never know. You never know when that coin is going to die and stop giving you what you need. So watching here on the daily, you can see boring sideways action. This could be one of the assets, one of the meme coins that could come back to life. Would Pepe be back to life? Well, I'll tell you right now, once that price breaks here, as all the altcoins and meme coins are showing some good buying signals here. Not financial advice, but they're showing some decent buying signals here that you could get short term. But pay attention because it's a daily, so it would maybe mean longer. This thing doesn't just move overnight. But watch what happens coming in, because we are getting that high volatile wave, boring sideways action that will lift off. And I'll tell you, once that resistance breaks here, this could be falling. If you've hit the like button, please hit the like button. This is a gentleman who's gone over 5. I see you, Eric, in the comment. We're only doing 5 meme coin shit coins and then 5 crypto assets we believe in. And let's get to it. Let's get right to the 5 crypto assets we believe in. Huge. So coming in right now, hugely believing in an Avalanche. Did say Solana was not one of them. We could be getting this head and shoulders pattern. Be very careful. This may be something happening, but we're just going over a couple crypto assets this morning. We're looking at a daily here, and if I went to a smaller chart, maybe this is something I see here coming in up a little bit, then to die. As you can see, the trend is to the downside. We're getting that dotted line to the downside. So let's get into it. You got to be careful trading the new crypto assets. Those are the chances to either get that's your best risk, okay? That is your most risk. So Eric, I appreciate small. He said SMOL. Might be a really good crypto asset to get into. You have to do your homework, though. Who's behind it? What chain is it about? Is it a launch? Is the person trying to just get you to put your money in there so they can fucking scam you? I mean, we got to pay attention to what is going on. I just don't go to small and say, okay, let's get in. You can't do that. That's how you'll get effed up in this market. So please do all your homework. Pay attention, definitely. I do appreciate the comments. Nice to have you in the live chat this morning, Daryl. And we're trying to break along. Looks like it's going to be a 20-minute video because we're breaking down the other half of the coins now. Now, these are the blue chip collars, the ones I believe in the most. Now, you can see the head here on the left. We could get this. Come down, get the inverted head and shoulders pattern. That inverted head and shoulders pattern would take Avalanche all the way down to 31.8. Now, this is if we get the correction. I don't think that could happen. You can see boring sideways action coming. We may finish this head and shoulders pattern and come through and then break right out of it. So that's something to pay close attention to, though. Those are 2 opportunities there. There are 2 possibilities. Excuse me. I'll bring out some TA here, and we could really check it. 4 hourly real quick just to have some fun, right? This is Avalanche now. We're talking about the head and shoulders pattern. Now, how much do you see the head and shoulders pattern developing? The right shoulder, we see it a lot more now, right? Getting more candles, 4 hourly. A little overbought here, which is scary because I could see that right shoulder filling in. I told you that was the possibility. Well, it's looking like that is the real thing going on. Bitcoin can only go up for so long, 45,600. It can maintain and keep going. Yes, obvious that's possible. But we're paying attention to charts and technical analysis right now, so it's important to follow that as well. Could get that and then come right through, support, follow, and then lift off. But we have to find out how we're overbought here. Everyone's excited. I get it. FOMO is real as steel. Well, guess what? Some people woke up this morning. They might be buying, but others are going to pay attention. That real quick on Avalanche, just to show you. That trend is to the downside. Until we break above it, as you can see, we're building support here. Could we come up? That'll be great. If not, we will considerably go down. And I will watch here indicators do fun things. Bitcoin dominance, Bollinger Bands. Let's do Bollinger Bands. It won't let us because I already have too many indicators out. Imagine that. Remove drawing, which we did not want to do. Not that we had much. But get to an indicator real quick. We're going to do the next 4 assets. I'm going to do them pretty quickly. Relative strength index is fun sometimes, but I meant to do the ribbon. There it is. So exponential moving average ribbon. We got the EMA down here. Is that the EMA? No, RSI, excuse me. This is the EMA up here. RSI, relative strength index chart, has me going a little bit further up. We possibly could come in. If almost really can see what's happening. We're getting tight on the ribbon, so we're getting ready to get another big move. This is Avalanche. If Bitcoin decides, now this is just Bitcoin, if Bitcoin decides to go sideways, boring action here from this forward going on, this could be great for the rest of the altcoins. We could really start seeing some altcoins shoot up, catch up. Maybe investors are taking profits. You'll get some boring sideways Bitcoin. It could hold up here a little longer. As you can see, that happens. We'll get some of that. Then what will happen is some of these altcoins will catch up. Perhaps we will see a downspout just to scare you out. What I see here is $40 support. I don't see $40 any lower for Avalanche, so you're in pretty good shape. If you're trading that currently above or in a position lower, then you're in better shape. But currently right now, that's what I see. I need to break 43.3 in order for Avalanche to continue this next leg up. What would that consider us on the upward W? So I'm excited for that. That could be another downward spout. One more time, testing $40. Like I said, that is a possibility. You see the EMA breaking, getting exciting here. Flipped here, bearish though. You can see the yellow line. My yellow line has flipped bearish, getting a quick retracement. You can see how long this yellow flipped here. Last time we flipped was at $20.50. My EMA ribbon has been bullish this entire time up, and we have finally gotten the first flip to the downside in a while. So pay attention to that too. That's very important. So you can see here, coming from November 28th of this year, we finally flipped. Now we're in for over a month of going up. Do we get a retracement here? Are we done here? Is this the next leg up? You have to pay close attention. So let's get to the next coin. I know we spent a long time. I apologize. But it's exciting. It's very exciting to have these kinds of things, man. It's been so long, right? We were talking about the crypto space going up for so long. Now, Biconomy, here it is, number 2. In no particular order. It's the Ethereum blockchain for the Web3. The Web3, what does it do? We want to know what the utility is behind Biconomy. Has its own exchange. It now helps Ethereum. Well, it helps Ethereum with the fees. Fees get too expensive. As you can go now, if you see Ethereum start rising, you can try to transfer your Ethereum. You will pay so much in fees because there are so many other people using Ethereum. It is so expensive, and Biconomy is going to help you. Economy is going to help you keep the price down. Hopefully this is going to come in for the Web3 as well and really show its worth. So exciting with that, between games coming in for the crypto space and so many other things. This is a big deal. And you can see what's happening. We're getting a bullish flag here up here. Looking for a cup and handle for 69 cents at Biconomy. I've been talking about this for a while. If we got to the daily, we could see it a little more, what is expected and what is happening. It's high volatile waves. It's going to keep happening. We did confirm the break out of this symmetrical pattern. You can see falling wedge to a T. And I'll tell you right now, we broke out of that. So now it's time for the reversal, the trend flip, for us to keep going cup and handles inside until the 69 cents is either met again, which will happen. We'll get major resistance, and eventually, hopefully, keep testing that until we can break that through. So I'm excited for Biconomy. Very, very big things involved. And yes, in this order so far, we have XRP as the next one, top in the 3, talking about moves, talking about things here, 85 cents. And then what the confirmation would be is we would need to break above this 93 cents here in order to get above the dollar. We would then be talking about $1.31 for XRP. And at that point in time, there would be major resistance. And I think that could be the time where XRP could really lift off and show us what could go on here. Looking all the way at highs, all the way up to about almost $1.95. I would say somewhere around $1.90. But XRP for the banks, for the financial system, and you can see, like I said, repeat history, right? Boring sideways action for a long time. What happens here, talking about in 2020, we lifted off. You can only have the volume keep pouring in boring sideways action with the price not reflecting for so long. And then what happens? Well, I said we were repeating that, and I said, watch the resistance tests, right? This is what we were talking about with XRP. I said, eventually we're going to break these resistance levels, come down, cup and handle, smack through another cup and handle. And that's exactly what's happening. Like we just talked about. These patterns are real, doing the same sort of thing. Now, are you going to get in or are you going to watch this time? It's completely up to you. No one is trading your money, as we do not trade your money. But we could possibly talk about what is happening here on these crazy moves. And, when we get excited about it, we really start talking about prices like 216. And that was my price prediction for where I thought this next bull run market would take us quickly, rather well in 2024. So that's exciting. 20 minutes in the video. I can only do 2 more. And it's a shame because here we are with Cardano as my top 4. And Cardano is exciting because what Cardano is doing is none like any other, but it is following Ethereum. So if you've yet to hit the like button, please do so. Top 5 meme coins, top 5 blue-collared altcoins. And I do believe in these blue-collared altcoins. And I told you this big strip here of this 82 cents for Cardano is coming. I mean, when we get there, that's the only time you'll believe it. Boring sideways action coming in, upward W forming, looking really strong. What are my indicators telling me? Let's get to maybe the Bitcoin dominance as well. Are we coming back? And it looks like we're getting a nice hook-shaped recovery. I like the V-shaped recoveries in the Bitcoin dominance, telling me that we could be finding that bottom. Very exciting. So that's good news right there, paying attention on that indicator. And as you can see here for even Cardano, we are just finding the buy zone, which means we could sputter it down a little bit more, which is fine with me. But I do like the situation. I do like currently what I see for Cardano. Nice bullish flag coming in, and I do believe that this ascending triangle pattern that we would be calling this, if you knew some of your charts, pay attention, look it up, read a book on trading. We have something nice coming in here, and I do believe that 82 cents is a beautiful target. This is a fantastic video. I love this video so much, I didn't even watch it yet. But let's get into Polygonmatic, my final bottom one. And what happens when I tell you? Well, when I tell you that we get this double bottom here, how important the daily to form that, Polygonmatic is about to explode. I did not say that about any crypto asset. Remember that now. Pay attention. This is the first crypto asset I have said to you is about to explode, and I saved it for the last one. And if you pay attention, definitely to mention, we are getting that pull tick up, little Fibonacci sequence touch, and we're looking for about a 118, 119 Polygonmatic. Wow, very excited. So I'll see you there. When we get there, I'll be taking some profits. I do hold a lot of Polygonmatic, and I do believe in my TA. So my name is Wall Street Pete, Sicto, and Crypto. A gentleman used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Used to work in New York, right there, Manhattan, on Wall Street. I loved it. Worked with all these people screaming and yelling. You are a new subscriber. This is who you're following. Probably one of the best crypto channels. This is a gem, this place. It's a shame I got to say it, but I'm not the only one that's got to say it. When he was a young, handsome man, Peter, working on the New York Mercantile Exchange. This is not a card. This is a real magnetized thing. Used to have bomb-sniffing dogs come into our building. Imagine. Bomb-sniffing dogs. This is after 9/11. I felt really happy for that. But Wall Street Pete, Sicto, and Crypto, sharing some of my crypto assets with you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that the content is real for you. Some of these crypto assets, I would say out of the 10, I would say at least a good 4 or 5 are really going to show potential gains in 2024 through 2025. 2026, we expect a big bear market. Does it come into 2025 toward the end of the year? Very likely. I hope you're still here. I hope I'm still here. But it'll be wonderful to be able to share with you crypto, bear markets, bull markets. Man, 2026 is going to suck, right? And then when 2030 comes and we're still here, we're flying in our spaceships, not. We're going to be spending our crypto, hopefully, by then, right? Talking about 2030. How long ago is that going to be? That's only 6 years away. So add 6 years onto your life. If you have a 6-year plan and you plan on being very successful in life, I can't promise you that you're going to get there. But I'll tell you right now, if you're watching this show, if you're watching crypto channels, if you're doing your homework, you're on your way. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please be careful trading crypto. Obviously, trading on leverage is professionals only. This is not financial advice. This is gentleman twice as nice. And hey, we're gonna have a good day. La-dee-da-da. Yeah. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, because we're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and damn, we're going soon. See you guys in the next video. Take care.